Hello Salmedo, welcome back to India African.
We are going to make a never seen special fish fry of South India. So let's check it out, guys. At first, let's check the required ingredients. 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 3 to 4 whole black pepper, 2 green chilies. Blend them all together in a blender jar nicely and keep it aside. So here I am taking 2 slices of kingfish. Pour the blended paste into a clean bowl. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's add salt according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's add half lemon juice. Mix well. Now we will marinate the fish pieces in the masala we made, and we will refrigerate for 1 hour at least. Same time we will get into the second process. 2 tablespoons of maida flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add salt for taste. 2-3 pinches of turmeric powder. Half tablespoon red chili powder. Mix well, and do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video. That will definitely encourage us to make more and more videos for you. Now add some water and make a thick mixture like this. And now the fish is ready after 1 hour of marination. Now all you have to do is take the fish, dip in the specially made mixture for the fish, fry it on a medium flame cooking oil. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get all the notifications of our videos. Fry about 15 minutes both the sides in a medium flame. How often do you eat fish? Let me know on the comment section below. Fry the fishes like this. Do not over fry on one side. Keep flipping on regular. It's nicely fried and looks still juicy. Whoa! Yummy Surmai fish fry is now ready. Do try, let me know how was it. Do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks. Have a great time. Catch you on the next one.